Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain pesto. This unique recipe adheres to Jain dietary principles by omitting root vegetables and alliums like garlic and onion. Instead, we focus on vibrant fresh herbs, wholesome nuts, and rich olive oil to create a flavorful sauce. It's a straightforward process, perfect for anyone seeking a delicious and compliant pesto option. For our Jain pesto, you'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, thoroughly washed and dried. Choose either 1/4 cup of walnuts or pine nuts for that essential nutty base. To achieve a savory, cheesy taste without dairy, we'll use 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Finally, have a 1/2 cup of high-quality extra virgin olive oil ready to bring everything together smoothly. First, ensure your basil is completely dry to prevent a watery pesto. Lightly toast your chosen nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes to deepen their flavor. Next, combine the basil, toasted nuts, nutritional yeast, and a pinch of salt in a food processor. Pulse until finely chopped, then slowly drizzle in the olive oil while blending until you achieve a smooth, consistent texture. Adjust seasoning as needed. Jain pesto is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it tossed with your favorite pasta, spread on crusty bread, or as a vibrant dip for fresh vegetables. To store, transfer the pesto to an airtight container and pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top. This helps prevent discoloration and keeps it fresh. Refrigerated, your homemade pesto will remain delicious for approximately 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.